All right, you're welcome. Beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Yeah, you know, once Wednesday reach, I know it's in the middle of the week, so definitely Friday goes soon reach and time for me to rest. I can't wait to rest.
All of a sudden, we begin the drag Friday with me. Suddenly.
I'm not dragging, my darling.
Okay, you're claiming.
I just day happy saying it's in a Wednesday, but how on a day? How every day go for now? Yes, today a beautiful day. Wednesday is on talk, another time where we they concentrate on the family because we want to make families they catch it, and we want to make you know one or two things them what you need to do to make your family they catch it. So that now why every Wednesday is on talk now family day, and today we get one catch person inside the studio. Now, this person will be saying, me and Bettiana enter elevator together. We don't know, we know we be, but we don't know how to talk. Say, good afternoon, sir.
No, we actually disclaimer. No, wait.
No,
I explain something. Let me explain something to you. That day when we enter the elevator, before we even enter the elevator, we see the person for front. Person they walk out with confidence. Swag. I can't they beef the person. Say, who be this? I can't say this person a person.
Yes.
But who he be? Now in a there the Kele can't enter the matter. Continue. Carry on.
I need to continue with the story. As we can't enter inside the hall, when it come reach time for the person to hold the microphone, oh, my sisters and my brothers, you need to come see me. But you even look me say, what do they do? I enter the front, Saturday dance, I said tomorrow not day. I bet join me, welcome, the gospel artist himself, the man where be say once he hold the microphone, he just serenade the building like say nobody there. He just
calm down.
He just speak to God directly. And the person who I had to talk to, and no other person but Mike Abdul.
Thank you.
I tell you.
Amen.
Now so.
The one I like now. Because I'm not real, but not laugh with this.
Now so.
Oh, welcome.
Then say, how can you?
Hey.
Mushi-san in the house of God. Orimi woo.
All right, welcome.
You're very welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Yes, blessed are you amongst intelligent, smart.
Women.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, blessed are you amongst.
Take it.
Yes, I told you. All right, before we actually go into the proper, we get what they do every day.
Okay.
Me, you're not going to introduce me.
How are you? A regular visitor. Please.
I won't sing too.
Oh, yeah, sing.
Abarkuwala sunazubowa kama yeyefi ruansama abisa masu Krista Yesu yayi mana yayi Yesu.
She has a nice voice. Take it.
Awa is a star. Hey, please remember me, backup singer.
Whiskey Davido.
I'm your manager.
I feel you.
Those are people in the world. Carry on. Carry on.
Judge not that you may not be judged.
Hey. God bless you.
What did I say now?
All right, like I told before, we get discussion things, stories that they bring up, and all of us go out inside. So definitely you actually join us today.
I do.
All right, now our first story for today concern one Lagos-based trader, will be Akim Ariyo, and his wife will be Mosumola. Now, they don't arrest them by the State Police Command. Why? They say both of them gang up together and go rob one particular shop. Now, this 35-year-old Ariyo, they're saying they sell menswear for inside the same market. Now, according to the police, they say they arrest him alongside the wife and others after they reportedly enter inside one shop owned by one Kudirat Akinyede. And also, then the Anashi Congo report says, see, they enter inside that shop, they steal the sum of 11.6 million naira. Now, the wife can't come outside, talk plenty things, where can't they surprise it everybody. People can't they ask a lot of questions. Now, she talks, say, officers for SARS say they actually force her husband to confess. Because the man not actually do him, but because of the beating and because of the things they do to him, because when she goes see him, she see bruises all over his body. She see say his face don't even finish. They don't even massacre, they don't beat his face that say tomorrow not day. Say they actually force her husband to confess. And she talks, say, on that fateful day, say somebody call her, say they see her husband's phone for somewhere because the husband go greet his mother. So he misplaced his phone. So person can't call her, say they see her husband's phone somewhere. So she can't give the caller their house address, say, okay, since you see her, thank you so much. I will bring the phone, come our house. Not knowing, say, now police, now I actually pick the phone and they can't take, say, the husband. Because they see the phone for the place where the thing happened, they can't say the husband, not part of her. What do you think about this particular one? Because some people, they actually agree with her, say, if he be say not be the husband, do him. But some people can't they do them based on their own experience on how people don't take their phones before call them. They not they tell the person, say, call my address. They go actually tell you, say, okay, give me where you dey, I will come meet you for there. So that they use that one talk, say, be like, say, there is a story missing which the woman never tell us. Which one I think really?
For me, first of all, I go on ask, say, the person where they sell the market, what exactly they sell where you get 11.6 million naira inside your shop in this modern age and time? Actually, now one of those issues where EFC is supposed to even look inside, say, okay, you get that kind of amount for inside your shop, what you they sell? How much sales you they make on a daily basis where go allow you get that kind of money in one day for inside the shop? That one on one side. Then secondly, for me, the woman, if truly, because I said they catch her alongside her husband, say then go thief. So if truly they know say then thief, she not gonna give them her house address. Come to think about it. She go down can I say, okay, anything if it don't happen, why I go give it? Even if she not can anything, she go one day safe, you know, go just invite stranger come your house. Sure. She will say, okay, maybe we meet for market or maybe we meet for open place. Maybe say if bege shelle, she go fit run or something. And then at the same time, yes, possibility they say maybe they even thief the man phone from his pockets. And maybe the people wait thief the phone, then go the operation, then drop and there. At the same time, possibility say yes, the man actually do the whole by himself, can't forget phone for that. We don't see many cases of arm robbers where they say then go operation, then go drop ones maybe in a handkerchief or do that one for a buffet because if you drop handkerchief for you, then go take a wipe ground. They're not going to use and trace anything. So for me, I'm not buying into the idea of say okay then get suspect, they will come beat them to a pulp because I don't be victim of when they accuse me of something where I know do that one for inside church self. But now another story for another day. And you know when they accuse you of something and you just want to come out there, I can't say okay you know what? Yes I do. Just leave me, make I they go because it go get to a certain point where you go say you know they beat me on top waiting I know do. So make I come outside do and say I go no say then get reason why they actually they punish me. So for me I go say then still need a lot of investigation to do. And even if the man they're guilty, then go, I don't know.
So even though say the man they're guilty, it means say a lot of women they marry men where they don't know the kind of career the man they do.
One, yes, and at the same time, some women they know, but they go turn deaf eye, I be blind eye.
They still go collect something like that.
Yes, then go collect something like that. Say, you know what? No.
You go chop the money together.
I know people where be said that. I know person will marry Yahoo boy, and she go tell you say yes. Or people that actually offend us, so I don't mind saying that.
You can imagine.
Yes, she get the same mentality. So even when they need them female voice on top the whole parole, now she they lend her voice because now family business now.
But really, I want to know what you think about this particular story.
Well, they find na broken as They find the guy phone for the area where the thing happened. Well, that is something to consider.
Okay.
Honestly, if you go greet the mama they live around that side. You understand? If you forget your phone anywhere, that's in mama's house, you're supposed to forget the phone. You know that kind of thing. So if they see your phone for around that area, now something to suspect. The bad thing, now you say they beat them. They beat them, they don't spoil the matter. Anything they collect, you know, from beating the guy cannot run in court because he was forced.
Under duress.
You understand? He was under duress. They need to prove it. You understand? I think that's the only problem there, really. You know, but say they find your phone around the side, you guys be really. Yeah. But another thing we do me, they say, how do they know the wife number to call?
That's another one.
But some people, they store
My wife.
my wife or my love, my angel.
Why some people just store the woman in Kudirat?
Simple. So who you want to know say na Kudirat?
Wow.
Okay, maybe. If the guy store him as my wife, really, you know.
Now, starting, so many things come to play for this thing. I don't even want to think that thing a bad thing.
Yeah.
Because you don't know whether who they tell true, who they tell lie. The 11.6 million like you talk. Now you get them, now you don't get them.
That one don't even go. May they forget that one.
11.6.
May they no go there. You know,
another thing, the woman feel lie. The money don't for reach that thing, but she can't add on top.
600,000. She can't add 11 million.
They always add
11 million.
I just feel say for me, basically, I feel say maybe him not just victim of circumstance.
Possibly.
Maybe yes, where the thing happened, he misplaced a phone, they try to look for a phone, he not see him, and at the end of the day, police see him for them. Maybe I'm just saying maybe
it's possible.
It's possible
Very
too,
possible.
and also they can't beat it. I don't understand police interrogation really. We really need to do something about him. Now Obama wants to stop him for inside America. I feel say for Nigeria, we need to really choke her inside him because this is one of the first time we don't hear of cases where they say they arrest you and the kind brushing where they go brush you. You go just need, like what you thought, you go just need to confess, say, yes, I did it. Okay, please, just let me be.
Sometimes they go even arrest you on top nothing.
Nothing.
If you they work out for it, they arrest you and then already they brush you and you not do anything.
They don't carry me
Abuse
before
of
now.
power.
They carry me now. That very long time, like up to 20-something years ago, I go buy palm oil for my mama.
Ew.
Simeon. I was like, are you 17?
Imagine.
I buy palm oil finish. Carry palm oil. When I turn the go house, I in this bus just park. So when I enter. And there be police.
Wow.
So I enter. And they carry us go station. And for my mind, I say, these people don't know that there is right in this country. They want to put me inside what? Now they put us for
Now what you go talk?
counter front. Now we dey counter front. I will say we dey counter front. We see the wait. I say, you better know what you are doing. Oh boy, when they carry gun come out, when they do
That is.
open door for us, say enter cell.
Oh my God.
Now me first enter now. When I hear pra, I enter. Phew. So all of us they pack us there. We were there up till following morning.
For nothing.
For nothing. We're there following morning. See the other twist. We reach following morning. Around 9 in the morning. Now they come out, all of us come out. Then they say me we come out our shirts. We all remove shirt. They say me we sit down for ground. My sister, as we sit down for ground, so all they need to do is arrange gun for our front, snap picture.
And say when I do something.
That is all they need to do. That's all they need to do.
Of course.
Now, oil. You don't see a bottle of oil in my hand. The bottle still in my hand.
Enter cell with him.
I enter cell with bottle. They didn't even check us to remove us. I enter cell with bottle. Breakable bottle.
Breakable bottle
My
inside
sister,
cell.
inside cell. So I can't say, excuse me, sir. Now the guy, if you see the red eye, we gone. I say, I carry palm oil. Now I go buy. Now I talk. And man say, oh yeah, come.
They go use them against.
Now I say, may you see the palm oil. Now I open her. Now you see the palm oil. I say, okay, this one can wear a shirt if you go. Now I put hand for head. Say, chai. Okay. Now I go house. Years later, I now met a woman who worked with prisons. He used to work with prisons. And I asked her, I tell her what happened to me that time. Say, now God bless you.
Exactly.
He said, in fact, unfortunately, said if he kill you, replace the person with the death row.
Yes, and they go release the person.
Now the woman tell me, now just begin to thank God, say, oh boy, see something.
See me,
so
first time, no fit
things
talk.
happen.
No, man, things that they happen.
Things
Even
happen.
one of our cameramen, Aki Soji don't come out now. They go around with camera, as their work take be. He said one day they call them still the same cell issue. Then just arrange people, tell them say, okay, video. He don't know what's in the happen, just a video. For him, man, say, oh, this one's out down. Now criminal, you don't video. Say years later, now you meet one of them, and the person tap and say, you. So now you carry camera, in con they confused. Now the person can they give and just say, say we not do anything. Exactly the same incidents will happen with Mike. So then just use van, carry them. Now waiting do them be that again. And they just arrange gun for their front, say them be criminal.
People will not see gun with.
I'm telling you.
Just like
can
that.
imagine.
But really, our government, they need to do something about it. Enough
They
is
have
enough.
to.
We don't they talk
They
them.
have
This not be the first time where they talk them. Different things where then they do. They really need to look into them. They need to actually put these people in check. Put them in check. Because nowadays, once they wear uniform, they feel so they be alpha and omega. They can do anything and get away with them. You go see policeman will go actually shoot and they go tell you it's an accidental discharge. How you want to take proof saying a lie?
It just be like one time where they actually arrest OPJ on radio. We go soon go on break. And OPJ talks, when you there for inside prison, say, trust me, you not see anyone where keep person for there. You not see anyone where still. People where they give their testimony, and people where be say, what they do for you? I just say make I go my friend house in the night to us. I just work at night, they catch me. Night never even reach, around like 7 o'clock. Another one, I say make I go meet this one. Now so they just catch me. Another one, they come our street, just carry all the boys. And they don't stay there for years.
So the ones where they thief, what thing they happen?
With biro. With biro.
No, the way we even leave the bar, the ones where they carry gun, what thing they happen to them? Because that's still the street.
Main one.
They're still there the road.
Where go near them. When they, other than they're off their uniform, they run.
Really, our government needs to actually choke her inside the prisons because we need to actually reform a lot of sectors for inside Wobodo, Nigeria. We actually need to buy more break right about now. When we come back, other things are going on top of the show, so not go anywhere. Interesting day. I know say you don't enjoy them. When they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.